Good morning, students. Today in Python lecture we will discuss about the Python variables and what do you mean by exception handling in Python. In the previous lecture we already discussed about the different types of the errors in Python: syntactical error and logical errors. In this lecture we will study how to handle the exception in Python. But before that we will discuss about the Python variable, that is underscore name underscore. Now the Python has a special variable that is containing the values when the program is executed. That means the variable that is inside, and whenever the program is executed, the special variable underscore name underscore that is internally created. So whenever we are executing the programs, what the Python interpreter can do, the Python interpreter can find out whether the file is executed independently or the file is called by the another programs. So according to that, the variable value is stored. So when the program is executed, there is a special variable that is created, is known as underscore name underscore. Now exactly what the variable store. So this variable that store the information about whether the program, whatever is the program that you are executed, that program is executed as an individual program or as a module. So if the program is executed directly, then what the interpreter can do, the interpreter can store the value main into this variable. That means if the program is executed independently, then what is the value of this variable underscore name underscore? So the value of this variable is equal to underscore main underscore. But if the program is imported as another program, okay, means if that particular program is called into the another program, then what the Python interpreter that store the values in this variable, so it will observe which particular program is called this time. According to that, the value of underscore name underscore variable value is find out and it is stored into the variable. We will show it by executing it the programs. Now here you can see that there is a one program. In this program, the Python interpreter that stores the values underscore main underscore into the variable underscore name underscore. So here what is the variable? This is the variable. And what is the value of that variable? So that is underscore main underscore. But why? That first of all we understand the program so that our idea is clear. Why? The underscore name underscore variable stores the value underscore main underscore. Now here you can see that here I am declaring one functions. Okay. Now what is the function name? Here the name of the function is display. Now this function that print the value only hello. So whenever I am calling the function display functions, what it will do? It will print only the one string, that is hello. Now, if underscore name underscore equal to main, that means here program is executed independently. Means this program is not calling any Python file. It calls only the functions display. So if the value of this variable is underscore main underscore, that means that program is independently and it is not calling any functions, then what it will do? It will call the functions display. Okay, so what do you mean by that? It means that this code is run as module. If the value of underscore name underscore is not equal to main, then this code is run as module. Now here you can see that what is the difference? This is in the small letter and this is into the capital letters. Okay, so here the whole program that is executed independently. It is not calling any functions. That's why what the Python interpreter will do, when this program is executed by the interpreter, at the time the value of underscore name underscore variable is equal to null. But Python interpreter will check that the function is calling and this is not dependent on the another program. So the value of underscore name underscore function is equal to underscore main underscore. So this program is executed independently. Next, here you can see that this is the program. In that I am importing the file. That means here I am importing the program one.py. Okay, so import through which we are calling any Python program. So here what I am write down, import one. That means I am calling another program, that is one.py, and this program can calling the functions one.display. Okay, so whenever the Python interpreter executing this program is stored as a 2.py. Whenever in the program the Python interpreter will find it is importing any other program, then the value of underscore name underscore is equal to not the value of main. Why? Because of it is calling the another program, and in that program we are calling the functions. So here you can see that what is the output, that is capitalized this. So this code is run as module. So here it is calling the another program, means 2.py Python file can call the another program 1.py. Now going into the depth, and then we can understand why it is there. Here you can see that in Python there is no main functions. Here you can see that in the C program there is a main function, in the C++ there is a main functions. But in Python there is no main functions. So when the command to run the Python program, what the interpreter can do, the code that is available at the zero indentations, that means that is start from the zero indentations, that is to be executed. Okay, and it will define the few special variables. So the name underscore name is a one of the special variables, means if the source file is executed as the main program, then the interpreter that sets the value of underscore name underscore value is equal to 1. So in the Python there is no main functions. So whenever the Python interpreter execute the any programs, then it will assign the value of main to these variables. But if the file is being imported from another modules, that means if one file is calling another file, then what happens? The value of the underscore name underscore variable that will be set as a module name. So we can say that the underscore name underscore is a built-in Python variables, and what it will evaluate? It will evaluate that what is the current module is executed. So we can check by the script and we can check which particular program is imported by the another programs. Now here you can see that here I am taking the two programs. First program name is file.py. That means this is my first programs. Now here you can see that the first program is not importing any other program. Okay, the first program is work as a individual. So print file underscore name underscore is equal to underscore name underscore. So this is the Python inbuilt variables. Initial, the value of that variable is nothing, but whenever the Python interpreter executing that file, and if this program is not importing any other Python file, then what is the value of underscore name underscore? The value of underscore name underscore is equal to main, because this is an independent program. So what it will print? It will print the file is being run directly. But if the value of underscore name underscore variable is equal to not this, then what it will print? The file is being imported. So this is my independent program. Another program that is importing file 1. So here you can see that the interpreter is giving the following output. This program is run as independently, so the output of this program is file is being run directly. Why? Because of the program is working independently. It is not importing any module. But in this second program, file2.py, here I am importing the first file, import file 1. Now the Python interpreter can check that the file2.py is calling file 1. Okay, so what is the value of underscore name underscore? In the output you can see that the file 1 underscore name is equal to file 1. Why? Because of it is calling file 1. That's why the value of this variable is file 1. So whenever it is importing another program, it is going into the file 1.py, and in that it will print the second time file 1 is being imported. Whenever that particular file 1.py is called, after that it is going into this if and else loop. And what is that? It is come out from the file 1.py, and after that the file 2.py is executed. So after that, what is the value of file 2 underscore name? The value of file 2 underscore name is equal to the main, and after that the file 2 is being executed. So what we will understand that the special variable Underscore name underscore is a Python special variables. It is automatically set the values according to the program that is calling the another file. If any program is importing another file, then it is calling the value of that particular file, and the value of that variable is the file that you are calling. And if the program is not calling any other file, then the value of that variable is main functions. Now, in the next lecture, we will discuss that types of the errors and what do you mean by the try and except, try with multiple exceptions, and try with the finally. Okay, so all of you go with that topics, and whatever is the query that you have to message me or you can tell me.